So I've got a quick detailing tip. So we're going to be talking about glass cleaning. So this is GTechniq's Perfect Glass, but it's not really just about what type of glass cleaner you're using. It's more about the type of towels you're using. Now, I'm not saying necessarily you have to get these towels, but usually when people come in and they go, you know, I'm having a real problem getting a lot of streaking. What am I doing wrong? I hate cleaning windows. The main thing I tell most of the detailers or even the car enthusiasts or DIY people that come in is use two towels. So you have your main cleaning towel, your main scrubbing towel to get rid of most of the dirt, and then your second towel, which would be maybe two of these towels, would be your final wipe towel. A lot of people are trying to clean all four windows, the inside and the out, using one towel. Try to use two or even three. Or you can actually take those leftover coating applicators, those little kind of microfiber squares that we have, use those to kind of scrub the window, especially if you have a customer that's smoked in the car or they're vaping in the car and they get all that nice film, or if you have a newer car that has the off-gassing from being purchased, you use that to kind of scrub everything, take off all the extra film, then come back with a diamond patterned towel and you'll find out that your windows will stay a lot cleaner. So try that next time you clean your car and you'll thank me later.